Don't goddamn now don't be you about to make me hit this man truck. All of that.
Okay, what's good, YouTube? You know it's your girl Brace Bellin on back with another banger for today. What I said? Banger for today or whatever. So, as y'all can see, I'm in the car. I had ran to Walmart and got a little spray bottle. But it's in the car, so I can't, it's in the house, so I can't show y'all whatever. So, my grandma was like, Bailey, can you ride with me to get something to eat or whatever? I was like, cool. Yeah, I'll ride with you. So, I'm finna prank her and sneeze like I'm really sneezing on her, but I'm gonna spray the water on her or whatever. So yeah, so make sure you get this video to 50 to 100 likes, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you turn on your notification bell so y'all can get the alerts, you know, when I make this video or whatever. Because like, who don't want to watch my YouTube channel and who don't want to watch my banger videos or whatever. But yeah, so like, you know, I gotta set up the camera and everything and be ready, because this really finna go. Like, let's see how it go. I know she might get mad, I don't know though, but let's get into it. So we out. I'm finna, you know, let's get into it.
Waiting on enough.
Yeah, we have been waiting on long enough.
OJ and Rachel, cause I ain't finna cook today. I cook all of that. I might cook some breakfast or pancakes or something in the morning if they got them. Which way, Bailey? This way or that?
So you know the way to right channels.
I do.
But also you can't drive and talk, so you just need to tell me you're gonna call him back.
I've been doing this before you thought about being born.
My allergies.
Obviously you can't drive and talk on the phone. I said, I've been doing this ever since before she was born. She wanted a P-O-C-K-E-T, B-O-K.
Yeah, your nose ain't been running? My nose been running. So I gotta
Well, if you got the corona, just keep your mouth closed. What you said, Joe? I told, cause Rachel know with this cow, and you know how I get. So I told her just get up. She better get up in the morning when we get ready to leave.
Now you got some tissue. I think, Lily, didn't you put some tissue on her? In her door.
Don't goddamn now don't be you better.
Hey, hold on, this shit ain't funny. It ain't funny, but it is.
Make me hit this man truck. All of that sneezing over on me now. Much as y'all be in the streets and stuff, maybe got the goddamn Rona. Yeah, she need to be covered on my butt. All in my glasses. Been talking about the allergies and a stomach tore up and shit.
So you
Yeah,
Miss Tissue over there?
I ain't no dog. Yeah. Just get that darn mask there.
I can't put on a mask. The snot gonna come out my nose.
Look in the glove department.
Fuck.
All on my face. Let me have my hand sanitizer. I ain't had no shot. All on my face.
And why you put hand sanitizer on your
I
face?
don't want no darn corona. Y'all be everywhere. Triking everywhere. All in the mouth. Talking to men's and stuff.
I told you I just need some tissue so I can blow my
Well,
nose.
I ain't got no tissue.
Look in your purse.
I'm not looking at my purse. Ain't no tissue in my purse. I can't wait till I get there.
Bro, somebody give me some tissue. I'm not gonna ask y'all again now.
Where did the food you just bought?
I threw the bag away. Remember
Well,
you
you
told me
was
to throw it
Rachel's
out.
napkin out of sex
Zach
today.
didn't get her no bag. It's already lit in there.
Oh, Lord Jesus.
Tell her I gotta take me to
Joe
the doctor.
said some napkins in the glove department. Look up there. Wash my face when I get home. That hand sanitizer stick.
Yeah, that's good. I think that'll hold me till I get to Rachel so I can take some cold medicine.
If you know you had all of that, you needed to have been taking your medicine before you left the house.
I ain't know my nose was gonna start acting up on me.
Yeah, sneezed all over my face, child. Give me no Rona.
No, I ain't got no run. I've been wearing my
Yeah,
mask.
like the Rona ain't out no more. Ain't nobody in that mall had their masks on. Everybody just walking. The folks got the makeup and stuff back on again. They ain't had on it. And Lele know her mama don't let her go without her mask. Cause Jamil told me, I can't wait till I get to this house. Baby, you need to put the window down and sneeze. Y'all mama ain't teaching you no manners.
Tip taught me, man.
Tiffany ain't taught you shit. You put your a hand in your elbow, they ought to taught you that in kindergarten.
No, I ain't learned that in kindergarten.
Well, the teacher must ain't know that.
She must ain't know.
Joe said that's universal, international shit. Even Mariah and Bishop them know you put
They
your
don't even
hand
do
in
that.
your mouth. They do know. Bishop already done told me when you cough and sneeze, you put your and don't be throwing that stuff out the window for them folks to get my damn tight. No, I ain't cleaning up there.
You know who gotta pay for your ticket? You got bent money.
And my money is my money too. It ain't for no city or Harris County.
Excuse me.
And Joe said he don't know where you get that from. Either throwing the damn paper out the window. Say he done been seeing you do that before.
You say you gonna wash your face when you get home?
I sure am gonna wash my face when I get home.
Look at that house.
You chill and make your ass pure itch. Wanna smoke a cigar. Mariah, don't do that. Don't follow their lead. Mama ain't taught them no manners.
My mama
trying to
taught me
teach
some
you.
man. Do you sneeze in your elbow? How you?
I don't even want that drink. You can throw it away.
Why you don't want it?
I don't want that drink.
Why? Yeah, I
Cause
didn't
you
even
ain't got no
sneeze
manners.
over it.
I don't care. I don't want no
didn't even
drink.
sneeze
If you
over it.
sneeze in my glasses and face, the drink before I get here.
Man, you can drink that drink.
No, and I want you
It
to buy
ain't
me
that's the wrong with it.
another
I'm not
drink.
buying you
I
nothing.
don't want it.
I'm not buying you
You
nothing.
can take that and throw it out the window with the other stuff you was throwing out.
I guess I'm gonna just throw it out then.
Well, throw it out. I don't care. I already done been aggravated today and I don't feel like being bothered. Somebody else do. You gotta just see how they're just the paper they've been throwing out. Child, these parents ain't teaching these children, and you hear me?
That ain't got nothing to do with nothing. And I said, if you talking about me,
Oh,
just
I
say
know
that.
you believe it. I believe it too.
If you
I see
talking about
it
me, just say that.
I'm not. If I would call, I'm Charlie. If I were talking about you, I'd call your name and back it up. We turning into the house now. Guy, who Ashes bite? Bailey, when I slap the fuck out you, don't say a goddamn thing to me now. Better move your little ass out the way and I got my horn fixed. Hold on for a minute. Hold on, let me park and get out. Cause they done pissed me the hell off. Where the dog at?
Near my nose.
Right there.
Now I think I'm good now. 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 Now.
Don't leave me the hell alone.
Now look. It's a print now.
Hey, do that dog first.
Yes, sir. Bailey wanted